Halo, di sini saya akan membacakan tentang sebuah software yang saya sudah gunakan selama beberapa tahun terakhir. Ya, nama aplikasinya adalah CPUL. Nah, di sini saya akan membacakannya dengan bahasa Inggris, yaitu. Oke, kita lanjut. CPU is software application that lists AMD and Intel processor series for both desktop and laptop computer. Is Android app provides pretty complete spec in my opinion, like info about the CPU name and series number, of course, CPU speed, fabrication, core type C, RAM speed, max memory, integrated GPU, name and more. When I use the info, I usually check is the CPU name and series. I want to call the number of CPU core, CPU speed, RAM TP, and the eGPU detail in processor I'm looking for. I also get serious at about the processor in laptop I see, or for my rarity for or friend, but I don't know what series or type they are. So because I'm serious, I'm open is application CPUL to see the name, series, and type of processor in head laptop. Lalu you can also RAM both desktop and laptop processor name and generation using its app on of the manufacturers is showing the generation name. Every generation has a different name, but usually prototypes just called the gen. For example, Gen 1, Gen 2, and so up to the new Gen. From Intel processor for AMD processor are usually used for gaming. The gaming is different for Intel. The fifth generation in Gen more using the Ryzen name for the next generation. We can just look at the first digit like Ryzen 3 1200, the number one. So in the fifth generation, and the name is Zen 3, also Zen Plus, which is upgrade for Zen, and the Zen 2, Zen 3, and the last Gen 4. Intel is like the 2 for example Gen 10 is called Ice Like You, and adds Intel Gen has is how name to is app also lets you see the different level of desktop and laptop processor as series has different level. For Intel, the R6 level now. The lowest is Intel Celeron, which is the low power series. Intel N series in better than Celeron and even more power efficient, boosting below the Intel Core series. The U then you have Intel Core i3, i5, i7, i3, i5, i7, i9 up to i9, which is the high in performance. Its app so detailed spec for all of the from Celeron and series to i3, i5, i7, and 9. Ryzen is selected to boot as far as AMD only has 5 level. Might be familiar that Intel because very processors are mostly used for gaming, video editing, and in short AMD Athlon below Ryzen. The Ryzen 3, Ryzen 5, Ryzen 7, and Ryzen 9. Some people wonder why Intel uses i5 and AMD use the processor is for AI. So mathematics is done. I have the EI if it a laptop. The letter at the end of the professor name tell you the type. If it's you, it's low power. If it h of hx, it high performance 3. Try downloading this app on your Android or Apple device. If you think it useful or Ethereum Xperia for tech lover how are into hardware computers. Lalu kesimpulannya, software is great for hardware lover like me who are curious about the performance or type or CPU speed in desktop and laptop computers. In perfect for people who want to check the spec of her or device for its call info complete information about processor both for Intel and AMD used in desktop and laptop computers. CPU is a We app with a simple interface and computer data, making it easy to definish the identity and compile Professor Qt right from your Android phone.